Hi everyone, today I will be talking about my review of the VT Cosmetics Care line. VT Cosmetics kindly sent me all these products, but just to let you know, the video is not sponsored. I will be quite honest with my experience with the products. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. I will be also having a small giveaway for you. If you are interested, please join me until the end of the video. So I will be talking about the details of the giveaway. Okay, so let's start with the product reviews. So I will be reviewing 6 products in total and give you the information about the ingredients and the purpose of the products, and I will be also adding a skincare routine within the video so you can see how I use them. I have been trying them for over a month now, so this is not a first impressions. I really tested them out thoroughly. As you know, BTS is the face of VT Cosmetics at the moment, and they also played in the commercials for this Care line. Actually, even at first glance, I was really intrigued by this line simply because I love CICA products in general. I have quite sensitive skin and I always reach for CICA products in my routine as well, and I think they really help balance out and repair your skin barrier. So I was actually quite happy when the brand decided to send me this particular line, just because I think this line particularly is one of the best skincare lines, not only in VT Cosmetics but in K-beauty market in general. They really produce so many interesting CICA products which you cannot see elsewhere really. They have like capsule masks and sheet masks and emulsions and so many different kinds of products really. I was actually in Seoul last month and I was visiting all the stores, skincare and makeup stores, and CICA products are really popular in Korea right now, and I think VT did a great job in terms of the number of the products and the diversity of the products. So for people who don't know what CICA really stands for, let me explain briefly. So CICA products basically contain Centella Asiatica plant extract, which is also known as tiger grass, and this is such a well-known plant in traditional Korean medicine or Chinese medicine, even in traditional Indian medicine in Ayurveda. Centella Asiatica plant has many active ingredients which is widely used in skincare, such as madecassoside, acetic acid and madecasic acid. So these 4 active ingredients, which is phytonutrients, they are basically one of the most known and well-researched skincare ingredients, especially for sensitive skin types, because they have really good healing power. So CICA products usually contain at least one of these ingredients, Centella Asiatica extract, or one of these 4 active ingredients basically. So that's where their name actually comes from. The CICA names comes from there. And as I say, the main purpose of these ingredients is basically repairing your skin barrier. They also act as antioxidants, so actually they have anti-aging properties as well, because they actually promote building collagen in your skin. So I think CICA products are really great for sensitive skin, people with damaged skin barrier, eczema, dermatitis, or skin that has like burns or cuts or scarring in general. These skin types actually can benefit from CICA products. I will be actually linking down below in the description box all the research, scientific research and data, then you can see how these ingredients actually benefit your skin really well. I think everyone should have at least one CICA product in their skincare cabinet, just because I think everyone may have damaged skin from time to time. It could be due to over exfoliating or excess sun exposure, or sometimes your skin is stressed no matter what skin type you have, and these products are great to reach for during that time. So these are great repairing and healing products in general. So what is most unique about the VT Cosmetics Care line? They actually came up with a unique recipe of CICA ingredients containing all these 4 active ingredients. So basically all the products in the line, no matter what you buy, like you can buy a mask or a toner or whatever, all these products have these 4 active ingredients along with Centella Asiatica extract and propolis extract, which I think it makes them so powerful in repairing and healing the skin. So let's move on to my experience with the products, because I have some things to say about them. So I will first start with the CICA capsule mask. It comes in a box like this, and you see they are in capsule form, which basically contains a wash-off mask. I think I never saw a wash-off mask that contains both Centella Asiatica ingredients and clay. If you think about it, that makes a lot of sense, because clay masks usually can irritate your skin because they are also very powerful in purifying your skin. But this, I think, is also soothing in your skin, which is interesting because it's a clay mask actually, and it has bentonite clay and curling clay, which are great for, again, cleansing your pores. So this is soothing and purifying mask at the same time, and I think the capsule form actually makes it very easy, very convenient, because you can travel with it if you want. And let me also say that in the ingredient list I can also spot green tea powder, green tea extract, cranberry fruit extracts, which are really powerful antioxidants as well. And it also has some soothing ingredients like panthenol and beta-glucan. So I really appreciated the ingredient list in this mask. It quickly became one of my favorite clay masks, just because I don't really reach out for them, because I find them quite drying on my skin, but this one was not. And I kept it on my face not more than 15 minutes. I tried to do it with the clay mask just because otherwise it can draw moisture out of your skin. So keep that in mind. If you have dry skin already, do not let it sit for a very long time. It has a slight herbal scent, which is not overpowering in my opinion. So let me continue with this CICA skin. This product is actually my favorite product out of the whole line, because this is such a well-designed product. I think the ingredient list is great. This is actually a hydrating toner, acidic toner, and an essence all in one basically. It has a similar consistency to an essence. It's not very watery. There are a lot of great humectant ingredients. Signature CICA recipe as usual in all the products have that. Panthenol, beta-glucan, green tea extract, blueberry extract, mulberry extract, and hyaluronic acid. So I think what makes it different is it has PHA as well. PHA stands for polyhydroxy acid, which is a very gentle acid type. It has bigger molecular size, so it's not as irritating as other chemical acids. It has lactobionic acid particularly. So PHA is great for exfoliating your skin, but this has a very low percentage of a PHA. So don't worry about over exfoliating your skin. If you are using this every day, you won't experience that because the percentage is seriously low. I really like this product. As I say, I think this is my favorite. It has such a nice herbal woody scent, which I think is signature in all CICA products. They all have the same kind of herbal scent, but this is not overpowering. I think this like dissipates very quickly. And let me continue with this CICA essence, and the full name is CICA Hydration Essence. This actually comes in a great box, but I had to throw it away because I had to save space in my luggage when I was coming back from Seoul. So this is called Essence, but I think this is more like a serum more than an essence. It has like a serum consistency more than essence, I think. This is definitely more for dry or combination skin types because it has olive oil listed in the ingredient list. It's a more occlusive oil, so I think this is more suitable for those kind of drier skin types. Having said that, as an oily combination skin type, I could still use this. This has such a long ingredient list. I was shocked to see that, just because it has maybe listed more than 20 plant extracts, which is very interesting to see. It has like hyaluronic acid, urea, tocopherol, glucose. These are the humectants and hydrating ingredients. I was also surprised to see gluconolactone in this, which is another form of PHA actually. But again, it is listed at the end of the list, so I don't think this is exfoliating your skin properly. Overall, I am impressed with the product, but I don't think this is suitable for very sensitive skin types because it has such a long ingredient list. I don't know, very sensitive skin types may not actually like it. It may irritate your skin rather than heal your skin. The scent in this one is a little bit more lingering than the other products, so it stays on a little bit. If this is an issue for you, the perfume in your products, just keep that in mind. Okay, and another one is CICA Natural Eye Gel Patches. So I personally love eye mask, especially in the hydrogel form, because I think they do better job at moisturizing and hydrating your under eye area, and you can actually keep them on for a longer period of time. So this has like green leafy bits within the hydrogel patch, but I don't think they do much, but they are fun to look at least. And the ingredient list consists of very soothing, very hydrating ingredients, and my favorite thing about this is it has 5 types of peptides. Peptides are my favorite anti-aging ingredient, and this is, I think, is very eco-friendly as well, because it had like 60 pieces, so this will last you for a month if you do it every day. And it comes with a spatula, so you can easily grab them without digging your fingers in it. I think they are very convenient. I personally like to use them in the morning, especially if you put them in a fridge. It will be very cooling around your eyes as well, and it's great for depuffing too. And I usually keep them on for 20 minutes. You can really leave it on for a long time because they are in hydrogel form, so they don't really dry out very quickly, and there is no scent at all, so I really appreciate that too. This is such a great product in my opinion. And CICA emulsions. So I personally love emulsion formulas because they are very easy to absorb by your skin, and they are great light moisturizers. And I think this is such a great option for oily skin types. They will love it because it's really easy to absorb and it doesn't leave like a residue. I sometimes actually skipped using my cream. At night I just use this, and that was enough for me as an oily combination skin type. It does a great job at moisturizing skin. Surprisingly, this has ethyl palmitate on the ingredient list, which is a comedogenic ingredient, but I think because it is at the end of the list, it doesn't have that comedogenic effect on my skin. It did a great job, as I said, and if you are into light moisturizers, I think this could be your go-to product. And again, it has herbal scent just like others, but I think this dissipates very quickly as well. CICA cream. So this is my second favorite product from the line. It has great humectant and occlusive ingredient. It has this signature CICA recipe just like the others: panthenol, beta-glucan, ceramide, lecithin, hyaluronic acid, and couple plant extracts as well, but nothing too excessive like the essence. I think most skin types will enjoy this as a healing cream. It has a gel-like consistency, but I think it is somewhere between gel and cream, just because usually gel moisturizers, they are absorbed quickly, but this doesn't absorb very quickly, so it is occlusive as well. So it stands somewhere between gel and cream in my opinion. So this actually locks in the moisture really well, and the previous products that you used in your routine can actually penetrate your skin better, and this actually leaves like a protective barrier over your skin. It is not absorbed very quickly, so that's why I like to use it at night, not during the day. But I think dry skin types can use it day or night for sure. And the last product I will talk about is the CICA Smoother. So I use this more like a body moisturizer, body gel, rather than on my face, just because the first ingredient is Centella Asiatica extract, which is great, but the second ingredient is alcohol, pure alcohol. So I didn't really want to use it on my face, and you can actually smell the alcohol, so I was a little bit concerned to put it on my face. However, I tried this on my body as a soothing gel. It actually didn't dry my skin out. I'm guessing the other ingredients really cover up the drying effect of the alcohol in this one. It has like the signature sticker recipe. It has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and couple plant extracts too. Also some other humectant ingredients too. I can spot them on the ingredient list, but because alcohol is the second ingredient listed, I was a bit hesitant to use it on my face. Again, I didn't experience anything bad. It is a nice gel for your body, but probably I wouldn't pick it up myself from the store if it wasn't gifted to me. So let me talk about the giveaway. I will be giving away this CICA Daily Soothing Mask sheet mask set. This has like 30 sheet masks inside, which is great. I think I personally didn't use it myself, but the ingredient list looks great. just to say that. There are a lot of humectant ingredients in this. I also see that it has propolis, honey and royal jelly extracts, which are one of my favorite humectants. They are also very soothing. And I don't see any perfume on the list, so I'm guessing this will be very suitable for all skin types, including very sensitive skin types. So all you have to do is just comment down below with your Instagram or Twitter account, but please only comment once, because multiple entries will be considered as one, just to let you know. It will be also open worldwide, so you can join from anywhere really. And the giveaway will end at the end of November. I will give you the exact date. You can check back here in the description box below. You can find more information about the giveaway in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, and good luck. I hope you enjoyed my review of the CICA line, and I hope it was helpful. See you soon. Bye.